Corey here with RaceDayQuads, and today we're taking a look at the new Mach2 VTX by RaceDayQuads. Here are the two versions that your Mach2 can come in. This is the MMCX version, and this connector is very much improved over the UFL. It is very durable. The antenna here can swivel. It snaps in and out here, and you don't have to worry about this coming loose when you're flying. And the second version comes with the glued-on UFL connector. In the package, you will receive your wiring harness here, which is silicone wire, and a manual that will cover all the information that you will need to know. Both VTXs have all the same features, not including the antenna connector here. This solder pad right here is what you will wire up to a UART, which will enable you to use audio control. Using this button right here, you can change the power output from 25, 200, 500, 800 milliwatts. The voltage input here will take 7 to 24 volts. Your 5 volt output here is filtered for your camera. It has a built-in microphone. It has your 5 channels of A, B, E, F, and R, with exception on band E. You will not be able to use channel 4, 7, and 8 because these are the channels that are not allowed to be used in the US. So by not including these, this can be legally used and sold in the US. On the right hand side here, you'll see the Mach1 VTX. And size wise, they're pretty much the same with the exception of the one on the left. It happens to be a few millimeters longer. Other main difference is there's one more solder pad right here, which is the 5 volt that can go to your camera. So if you're upgrading from a Mach1 VTX to the new Mach2, it should be pretty straightforward. To connect your board, it's best to run LiPo voltage into right here. So here's my power and my ground. Right here, I've got my video coming out of the video out on the board, and the video in going into this board for the OSD to function correctly. Here's the ground from the camera. Here is the power going to the camera. This audio pad right here needs to be soldered to a UART. On my board, it happens to be soldered to UART 3. In Betaflight, you will go to the ports tab. Then you will make the change under peripherals on the UART that you are using. In order to use the audio control function, you'll need to take your transmitter and center both sticks. You will yaw left, pitch forward at the same time. That will bring up your main menu, and you'll go down to features, and then you go to VTX TR. You make your changes here, and then you go to set. Hit yes to confirm, and then you're going to back out, get out of the menu, and then you're ready to fly. Here's some flight footage with all the different power settings of 25, 200, 500, and 800 milliwatts. Down on the bottom right will be the long range test, and in that I fly out to about 400 meters. Couldn't go much further than that because I would lose signal. But if you had a long range setup, you could go much further than this. For antennas, I am using some homemade pagodas. And the DVR footage that you are seeing are from the Fat Shark HD3s. And as you can see, it offered excellent video in all the different power settings. It does record audio, so in the top left corner, here I'll play a short sample for you to hear it. That wraps up this video of the Mach2 VTX. I'm Corey with RaceDayQuads, and thank you for watching.